All right, welcome to the coding session on SVM, support vector machines. And as promised, we're gonna take a new data set, which is a breast cancer data set. So I put a little bit of the explanation here in the first text line. But let us start to import the traditional things. In this case, you only need NumPy and you need dataset. Yeah, the breast cancer dataset is a standard dataset in scikit-learn, and this of course will help us a lot in terms of pre-processing. So let's load this dataset from the library, and let's look at the shape. As mentioned, there's 30 features. These are the columns, and there's 569 samples. Let us just print out the first 5 rows, and this is what you get. Okay, so let's take this away, and basically what we're gonna do is split the data set, because there's no pre-processing to do. So let's split the data set, and the test size will be 30% of the 569 samples. So let's run this split. We'll go fast, and now we're basically ready to do the SVM. So we're gonna import SVM, and what we also gonna import is the function called grid search. And as I mentioned, grid search will allow us to try out multiple combinations of hyperparameters and select the best one for us. Yeah. So it takes as an argument this parameter grid, and CV equals 5 means that we will do a k-fold, or in this case 5-fold cross validation. Okay, so yes, here you have kernel. The kernel is here RBF. You have 2 gammas and 4 Cs. So you will need to do the exercise of all these combinations, and the same for linear. You also have 4 Cs. So let's run this thing. Here we go. This will take a little bit of time because there's a lot of combinations to calculate.